Hey guys, Golden Draggle here with a new video. So in today's video it's just going to be a quick unboxing of my new phone, the iPhone X or the iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. It's got just a plain box here. I've covered up my address and stuff, but I'll choose my trusty little knife to cut the sides. So I'll quickly just do that and then I'll be back once I've done that. That was easily one of the most difficult boxes I've ever opened. Like, it was covered in tape, obviously, but it had glue on it as well. And it was just very difficult to open, but oh, there's the box. Look at that. Oh, it's gone a bit blurry, but let's pull it out. Oh, here we go. Hashtag my new phone. So firstly we've got the box, but then we've got something down here saying hashtag my new phone. And then we've got the box here, and we'll just pull away. And we've got the design by Apple in California. Oh, and here it is. The iPhone X. Oh my god. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. I think it's got some charge in it. But anyway guys, thank you for watching my latest video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see future content from this device. See you later guys, thank you.